Hello everyone, welcome to Simple IT's YouTube series No Limits. This is episode 11. I'm Simple IT's trainer, Daphne, and today I'm very happy to share with you about Telegram. So there will be 4 episodes talking about Telegram, and today is the first episode. So let us start with what is Telegram. I'm sure many of you are curious about Telegram and even what's the difference between Telegram and WhatsApp. So let me just dive in and explain about what is Telegram to you. Okay, let's now talk about what is Telegram. So Telegram is a messenger app. It allows us to send messages, photos, videos, and other files to our family and friends. It also helps us to make voice calls. So Telegram can be used on our phones, our tablets, or even our computers. So why do we want to use Telegram when we have WhatsApp? Let me just share about some special features that Telegram has. So firstly, it can create groups for up to 200,000 people. It also has channels to broadcast to an unlimited audience. And Simple IT also has a Telegram channel for you to join us. It also can delete messages without the other person knowing, not like WhatsApp where when you delete a message, the person can tell that you deleted a message by saying this message was deleted. Thirdly, it has open sticker platform, which means you don't have to use another app such as Stickerly to add stickers. And lastly, you can also search for people using their usernames even when you don't have their numbers. So these are just some special features of Telegram that will motivate you to want to use Telegram. Okay, let's now start with downloading the Telegram app on our phones. So iPhone users, you can go to the App Store, but for Android users, you go to the Play Store. So I'm using iPhone right now, so I click on the App Store. So naturally it brings me to the search page, but if it does not, you click on the search icon at the bottom right of your screen. So click on it, then you see the search bar, which has the search icon, then book games, app stories, and more. So you click on that. You type in Telegram. So when I type Telegram, I scroll down and I see this Telegram Messenger. So if you have downloaded it before, you'll see the cloud. But if you have not, you will see the word get. So because I've downloaded it before, I'm going to re-download by clicking the cloud. Okay, once it's done, you can either click open or you go back to your home. So if you are using iPhone 10 and above, you swipe up by going to your home and you search for the Telegram app, which is now downloaded. So you click on it. You will see this. So Telegram, the world's fastest messaging app. It's free and secure. So you can swipe right to read the other messages. So it's features of Telegram. So I swipe right. It's free, no ads, no subscription fees. There's no limits on the size of your chats and media. It is secure. It keeps your message safe from hackers. It is cloud-based, so it lets you access your messages on different devices. So after swiping, I'm going to click on the Start Messaging. So after you click on Start Messaging, they will prompt you to enter your phone number. So I'm going to enter a phone number right now. So after that, you click next. Make sure that the country is also Singapore. So click next. So once you click next, they will send you a SMS with the code, the confirmation code. So you will see it. So for iPhone, it comes up. So I can click here directly. 448. So after that, they ask for your info, which is your name, and you also can select your profile photo. So I'm going to put my name, Daphne Ko. You would want to put your real name because this is the name that people know you by and would want to search for your name when they message you. So I can add, after I type my name, I can add a profile photo. So Telegram would like to access your photos. Click OK. Access camera, OK if you want to take a selfie. Open gallery. So I want to choose from my favorites. So maybe I just choose this photo. And click the tick, the blue tick. So my profile photo is added. So I click next. Then it will prompt you asking Telegram would like to access your contacts. So what it's saying below is that it will encrypt your messages and allow you to connect with your friends across all devices. That means that you can connect with your friends on your phone or on your laptop. So I click OK. Telegram would like to send you notifications. So when people message you, you can see notifications. So I also click allow. Would you like to use Telegram with Siri? So for me personally, I wouldn't want to use Telegram with Siri because I don't need that. So I click don't allow. So once you are done, you will see this page that has a check and then it says you have no conversations yet. So ignore that first. I want you to go to the settings, which is the icon on the bottom right that looks like a gear. So you click on settings. Can you see username? So click on set username. So why do we want to create username? A username is so that someone can search you by their username without having your phone number. So this is a good thing that Telegram has that's different from WhatsApp, because if people don't have your number, they still can search your username on Telegram to contact you. So my username, I want to name it, it's nice to meet you too. So the username is nice to meet you too is available. So I click done. So that's how you set your profile for Telegram. Okay, so the next video, we're going to talk about how we start to send messages to people using Telegram. So stay tuned for next week's episode. So in today's episode, we've learned how to download Telegram app, how to create an account using your name and profile photo, and how to add a username on your Telegram so that people can find you. So if you like this video, remember to click the like button, click the subscribe button as well for more content, and also share it with your friends. Hope to see you in the next episode where we talk about how to message our friends using Telegram.